Have you started your car, and suddenly the lane keeping assist warning light comes on? Or maybe you see a message that says LKAS problem on your dashboard. Don't worry, in many cases, it's not a serious problem. Sometimes it's something simple, and you may be able to fix it yourself, without using a scanner. A dirty windshield is one of the most common causes. The front camera can't see the road properly, so the system turns itself off. Clean the windshield carefully, especially the area in front of the camera near the rearview mirror, then restart the vehicle and see if the warning disappears. Bad weather can also cause the warning. Heavy rain, fog, snow, or bright sunlight can temporarily affect the camera. Once the weather improves, the warning may clear on its own. If you recently replaced or disconnected the battery, the system may simply need to reset. Drive the vehicle for a few minutes on a road with clear lane markings. On many vehicles, the LKAS system will recalibrate automatically during normal driving. If the windshield was recently replaced, or the vehicle had a minor front-end impact, the camera may no longer be properly aligned. In that case, the camera usually needs to be recalibrated before the warning light will go away. It's also a good idea to check your owner's manual for the correct fuse location. A blown fuse can disable the LKAS system on some vehicles. If you notice other warning lights, like ABS, traction control, power steering, or forward collision warnings, fix those problems first. The LKAS warning is often a result of another system fault. If the warning light disappears after cleaning the windshield, restarting the vehicle, or driving for a short time, you've successfully reset the system. But if the warning stays on, or keeps coming back, there's likely a fault with the camera, wiring, or another part of the system that needs further inspection. In most cases, you can still drive the vehicle normally, but the lane keeping assist feature won't be available until the problem is fixed. If the warning appears together with steering or braking problems, have the vehicle checked as soon as possible. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment with your vehicle's year, make, and model, and I'll do my best to help you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.